The most wonderful time of the year.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, I gotta go to school where I see all these people I don't even like and everything. Wait a minute. It's Saturday! Ugh.
How was your first day at school?
I hate everybody! Welcome back, class. I just wanted to kick off the year by passing out your homework assignment for tonight. You're gonna have a quiz tomorrow. You're gonna have...
I'm gone.
Back to school on Monday, so my goals are A, get in shape for homecoming, or B, homeschool.
Alright class, welcome back. There's 104 days of you. Get the fuck out, let's go. School comes along just to end. Bye. 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 Bye.
It's back to school time at Staples.
Becky? Who is that? It's the new girl. I'm gonna miss you so much. Bye. Don't go. I love you.
Finally, summer's here. Good to be hanging out. Gonna lock the door, turn off the lights, and I probably won't go out.
Go back to school with Kate.
Hit me! Hit me with your car! Boys, back to school shopping tomorrow.
Hey Matt, what's the king of all school supplies?
I don't know, what?
The ruler.
I don't want to go to school. Oh, you too smart for school? Yes. What's 9 plus 10? 21? Get your to school.
You're ready to go back to school on Monday, aren't you? But you're kind of ready to go back to school, right? You know you're going back to school, right? You're going back to school!
It's back to school time. Get all your books, pencils, and calculators. Unless you can find an Asian. They work too.
Gabe, you know the answer?
I ain't not. Take the car here to the state, and it's in the.
Hey, Brandon!
Lord, please position me directly in front of any fight that happens in my school. That way I can pull out my phone, record it, and hopefully get it featured on World Star. Amen.
We're about to go back to school shopping. Wake up, dear. Time for school.
Oh.
You're already here.
No!
It's back to school time.
Why are you guys happy?
Time for learning.
This is a bad thing.
And fun.
I hate you all.
Back to school on Monday. Back to school on Monday.
When does school start?
I had a great day today. It was really good.
Oh, what happened? Back to school commercials.
Go back to school with Kate.
Okay, go. Just a little more. I want you to really hit me.